Hi guys, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A05s and let me show you how to add Google account. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select Accounts and Backup and click on Manage Accounts at the top of the list. Here click on plus icon, which is for Add Account. Select Google, as it is for Google account. And now enter your email number, email address or phone number. And click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password. Let me do it off the screen. As only your password is entered, mark Next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. If you do agree with everything, just mark I agree. Tap on More, Accept. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.